Hello, future Broncos. My name is Peggy Valentine, Interim Chancellor at Fayetteville State University. Welcome to our university's virtual open house, where you can enjoy learning more about Fayetteville State University anywhere and anytime. We are so excited you have chosen to visit with us and look forward to introducing you to this wonderful university. On this page, you will find greetings from the Executive Director of Admissions and our Student Government President. You will be connected to resources to help you successfully navigate the application and enrollment processes. You will learn about our academic colleges and degree programs. You will hear other Broncos talk about their experiences at FSU, and you will be invited to join in live social media sessions with admissions counselors. I am so excited about Fayetteville State University's amazing accreditations and national rankings. I am constantly impressed by the fantastic work of our faculty and staff on your behalf every day, but what impresses me the most is support and sense of family you will find at Fayetteville State University being a Bronco. Our students are so diverse, you will be sure to find your fit here at FSU. We celebrate our proudest heritage as the oldest state-supported historically Black college and university in North Carolina. And we celebrate growth and progress that enables our graduates to be leaders in a variety of fields, having tremendous impact in the city, region, state, and nation. I am certain you'll be impressed with all that this great university has to offer. Please know that we are here to assist you in any way possible. If there is anything that any member of our Fayetteville State University family can do to assist you or make your visit more enjoyable, do not hesitate to ask. I hope you will join FSU and join the Bronco family. Proud to be.